If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to SHIB video update. Alright, so SHIB, we have a pattern to come to 622 and we have a bear pennant to come down to 724. By the way, Happy New Year. 2023, I hope SHIB does give us something in 2023, and I'm really interested into looking forward what's going to happen in 2023 for the coin. But right now, what I can say is that there's a drop here for SHIB. It came down, make this pennant on the sideways movement, dropped down like this, went back up for the retest, got rejected at the retest, and we're still looking for that drop to 718. So things can look pretty bad for crypto. Basically in January. In December, we didn't do anything like too much of something. The only thing that was volatile was back in November when Bitcoin dropped to 15,000 after a long time. And after that, it was just pretty much sideways between 17,000, 18,000, and 16,000. Even right now, Bitcoin is at 16,000. So that was the whole December. This is January, and January seems like it's gonna make more reds. I do expect that to happen, but maybe this market can come to an end of this downtrend, maybe in the third month of the year. And I'm speaking about what am I speaking about? March, potentially March, maybe March. That's what I'm hoping for. I mean, 3 months is enough for you to make a bear bottom, maybe, and who knows. This year, it could even end in capitulation, make a gigantic red candle, and then bottom out and go back up very quickly. Or it would be better to make accumulation. And an example of accumulation was this right here. So that's how accumulation looks. From May all the way to October, how many months are we talking about? So this was 6 months of accumulation. That is 6 months of accumulation. And then you go for that bull run, right? So this particular scenario I want to see for Bitcoin. I want to see Bitcoin move sideways, maybe even for 6 months, just like this, make accumulation, and then pop out and start to move higher. Like the whole of, or let's just say the major part of 2023 becomes accumulation for Bitcoin. And then maybe by the end, near the end of the year, or maybe by 2024, you start to move up. Now you might say, why take this too much time? Well, there are reason for that one, because when you see accumulation, it means that a lot of buyers are coming in, a lot of people, smart money might be stepping in, and when people are buying, they're buying, the coin gets the power to move up. Okay, you have way more traffic to go up, if it makes sense. But if you just keep making all these patterns, if you just make a capitulation and try to move up, that's also good. I mean, yeah, it's good, but then you have risks of going down, pumping down, going up. It becomes like very weird, volatile market. Okay, SHIB right now, I'm not going to talk too much. We still have a 724 target. We still have 622 as target, and we also have on the monthly 386 as target. And that's pretty much it for this update on SHIB right now. We'll see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.